So you want the best oral healthcare hygiene that you can give to yourself, right? Well, you came into the right place. So we're gonna call this guy Little Johnny. I don't know, the name that I came up with, bro. And he's missing a tooth, number 26. I don't know how I lost it, but I did. All right, first things first, what is the first step of taking care of your oral health care? You are going to be doing floss. Floss, guys, because we have plaque, we have bacteria, biofilm, which is just bacteria, a bunch of them though, like I'm talking a lot, that they hide usually right here in your gum line, right at the gum line, right on top of the tooth, but they cover a lot of surface area. And guess what? Your toothbrush will do a good job, but it will not clean in between the teeth, so you're not gonna get that best oral health care hygiene unless you floss. Dude, I recently just started using this. It's called the water flosser. And while I say this thing definitely helps with your oral hygiene for sure. First step is floss, bro. You get the floss like it is. You rip it apart. This is the best type of floss. Now, if you want to use another type of floss, like those toothpick form that have like a little thing like this, they kind of look like a hook. Yes, you can use that, but you want this. This is the number one floss. And the reason for this, here with this floss, I'm able to put it in between the tooth, and I'm able to really wrap around that tooth, make a C shape. You're basically hugging the tooth, and you go up and down motion on both sides. So here you get the thingy, you put it in between your tooth, you hug it, and go up and down. And then you go the other way, up and down. Boom, there you go. That's how you floss. You do that throughout all your teeth. Every single one of them. The second step of the best oral hygiene that you guys can do for yourself is use a water flosser. Is it absolutely necessary to have a water flosser? No, it's not. Is it going to add even better healthcare for you? Yes. It's a great supplement to your oral healthcare hygiene. And the reason for that is because, guess what? When people use floss, probably they're not getting every single gunk that's in between their teeth or around their teeth, the gum line. So this thing really comes in handy to pick up the rest, right? At least, hopefully we're picking up the rest, right? It's literally fast. In 60 seconds, if not even less, you are done. It's a one swipe thing. You go up and down, and you stay on the tooth. You don't point it towards your gum like this. You keep it at a 90-degree angle, and you just go around the teeth like this kind of motion. You stay on that tooth. All right, so going back to the floss, if you don't floss, number one issue that you're gonna have is calculus, is plaque, first of all. And then after a while, that plaque will turn into calculus. You know, it combines with your calcium, the bacteria, and they solidify, and you get calculus, as you guys can see here in this image. If you don't get rid of that calculus with an actual dentist or dental hygienist, because you can't brush it away, guess what? That calculus will turn into gum disease, periodontitis, periodontal disease, all the same thing. So please, floss. It's so important. There's a reason why we do it. There's a reason why we tell people to do it, right? So, this water flosser is intense, bro. That was a mistake on my part. I pressed the button here and it just splashes it literally went all over my wall. Alright, so besides flossing, and after you do the water flossing, if that's something that you guys want, it's a supplement like I mentioned, you're going to then brush the teeth. So you don't want to be using a toothbrush like me. Alright, I'm a poor dental student right now. Second year in dental school. Your boy ain't rich, so I have this. I don't have an electric toothbrush. I actually am about to get one though. Research has shown that electric toothbrushes are actually better than your manual toothbrush. And the reason for that is because of the vibration effect. It just helps remove that plaque. So what you're gonna do with the toothbrush? Here is Little Johnny. You put the toothbrush, boom, you angle it 45 degrees towards the gum. Now you're not actually striking the gum, like you are gonna not try to brush your gum. You're just gonna let the toothbrush do its thing. That gum line is where a lot of plaque is, a lot of bacteria is hiding in there, you know. And having that 45-degree angle, you are brushing your teeth, all surfaces of your teeth, but you're also hitting that gum line, not forcing it. You're not trying to put it in there. Just let the toothbrush do it naturally, because it will be touching it naturally just by you holding it at 45-degree angle. And the other most important thing is use a soft toothbrush. You don't want the hard toothbrush. You don't want the medium toothbrush bristles. Use a soft, and I mean soft, guys. The softer the better. You're just less chances of you hurting your teeth, because there is a point when people brush way too hard. For example, brushing like this, of just going side to side. That's so bad. Because one, you're damaging your gums probably. The other one is you're just brushing way too intensely, and you actually have the chance of causing your enamel, that top layer of your teeth, to go away. So back to what I was telling you guys. You start here, 45-degree angle, and you just go up and down, like in a little bit of like a circular motion. You kind of do that, and then you brush away. Go, you do that for everywhere. You do that 45-degree angle, and you brush away when you're done. All sections of your mouth, boom. Sections of your mouth, boom. All right, little Johnny's losing his teeth. So let's put it back. So yeah, that's a great example, right? If you don't brush your teeth will eventually say bye to you, all right? So don't let that happen, bro. For them interior teeth, bro, them lower interiors and maxillary anteriors, when you're brushing the lingual side, the inside of your tooth essentially, or whatever you want, however you want to say it, imagine it, you just go up and down like this, because there's not much you can do here. You can go a little circular motion, but you can't brush it the same as you can the other ones. And then number 4, to really solidify and finish the best oral hygiene, is use a tongue scraper. Yes, it's pink. Get over it. All right. So you use a tongue scraper, and you're gonna be putting it against your tongue, and you just go down. All right. Good to do. You got bacteria on your tongue. Not using this, especially if you got dry mouth. You could develop something called a hairy tongue. It's a little nasty. But what is the best toothpaste in the market? I use Colgate. All right. That's just what I use. That's what I like. They give you the best around all things. I just like it in general. But basically, guys, you don't want to be using toothpaste that has baking soda. It's abrasive, especially if you're a hard brusher. With using baking soda toothbrush, you're really going to cause damage to the enamel of your teeth. All right, if there's any ingredient that's the most important in the toothpaste, 100% hands down is fluoride. A lot of people don't like fluoride. A lot of people do like fluoride. There's a mixed thing on this planet that people have something against fluoride. Research has been done on fluoride, and I can tell you, fluoride is going to benefit you more than it will harm you, as long as you do it right. The fluoride for an adult, I'm talking about someone who is 9 years old or older. When you're putting toothpaste on your toothbrush, you're just doing a pea-size amount. You don't need to drench your toothpaste all over your toothbrush. You don't need to do that. You're literally just wasting toothpaste at that point, because your teeth only absorb so much fluoride at once. But yeah, that's what I like. This thing has fluoride. I use it every single day, twice a day, 2 minutes at a time. That's the best way to brush your teeth, guys, is use your toothbrush, use your toothpaste twice a day minimum. In regards to flossing, you really only need to do it once a day. And if there's any time, it's the last time that you brush your teeth for the day. That, my friends, is the best oral healthcare hygiene that I can recommend you as a dental student. This is what I do. This is what I recommend. So let's get brushing. On a real note, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you guys don't miss out on content. Follow me on Instagram, Smile with Glenn. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to smile.